Yo, what's up guys? We're back with another video, and let me tell you, we're about to blow your minds with this one. We're talking about tea bags, people. Yeah, you heard me right. Those little bags of tea leaves you use once and toss in the trash? They're actually secret weapons for life hacks. We're talking odor eliminators, cleaning ninjas, gardening gurus, and so much more, all packed into one tiny little tea bag. Get ready to ditch those expensive cleaning products because tea bags are about to become your new best friend. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Alright, let's kick things off with a problem we've all faced. Stinky situations. Bad odors can really put a damper on your day, right? Whether it's your gym shoes after a killer workout, which can leave a lingering smell that's hard to ignore, that funky smell in your fridge that just won't go away no matter how much you clean, or even a musty closet that makes your clothes smell less than fresh, tea bags are here to save the day. Tea leaves are naturally porous, which means they're like little odor-absorbing ninjas. They have the power to soak up those nasty smells like a sponge. Leaving your stuff smelling fresh and clean. It's a simple, natural solution that really works. For smelly shoes, just grab a couple of dry, unused tea bags, toss them into your shoes, and let them work their magic overnight. By morning, you'll notice a significant difference. The tea leaves will absorb the sweat and odor, leaving your shoes smelling good as new. It's like a mini makeover for your footwear. Now let's talk about the fridge. We all know how stubborn those food odors can be. Simply place a few open bowls filled with dry tea bags in your fridge. These little bags will act like odor-absorbing air fresheners. Keeping your fridge smelling fresh and clean. No more holding your breath every time you open the door. And for those musty closets, just hang a few tea bags from the hangers or place them in bowls on the shelves. It's an easy fix that makes a big difference. The tea leaves will absorb the stale air, leaving your clothes smelling fresh and ready to wear. You'll feel like you're stepping into a fresh, clean space every time. Tea bags can also help with garbage disposal odors. It's a quick and easy way to keep your kitchen smelling great. Just toss a few used tea bags into the disposal, run some cold water, and turn it on for a few seconds. The tea bags will help neutralize any unpleasant smells. So there you have it guys. Tea bags, the ultimate odor-eliminating ninjas ready to tackle any smelly situation. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Alright guys, let's face it. We all want that healthy, glowing skin. But who knew that the secret to a radiant complexion could be hiding in your tea cabinet? Tea is packed with antioxidants and tannins, which have powerful anti-inflammatory and astringent properties. One of the most popular uses for tea bags in skincare is for puffy eyes. Simply steep 2 tea bags in hot water for a few minutes, then remove them and let them cool down in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once they're nice and cold, lie down, close your eyes, and place the tea bags over your eyelids for 15 to 20 minutes. The coolness of the tea bags will help constrict blood vessels, reducing puffiness, while the tannins in the tea will help draw out excess fluid. Tea bags can also help soothe irritated skin. If you have a sunburn, razor burn, or any other type of skin irritation, simply apply a cool, damp tea bag to the affected area for a few minutes. The anti-inflammatory properties of the tea will help calm the skin, while the tannins will help reduce redness and swelling. So, ditch those expensive skincare products and embrace the natural goodness of tea bags. Your skin will thank you for it. Alright guys, get ready to be amazed because we're about to unlock the secret cleaning power of tea bags. You won't believe how versatile and effective these little bags can be. Tea's natural tannins act as a mild abrasive cutting through grease and grime, while its antibacterial properties help disinfect surfaces. It's like having a multi-purpose cleaner right in your kitchen pantry. Plus, using tea bags for cleaning is not only effective but also eco-friendly and budget-friendly. Imagine reducing waste and saving money while keeping your home spotless. Let's start with mirrors and windows. These surfaces can be tricky to clean without leaving streaks. Simply spray brewed tea onto your mirrors and windows, then wipe clean with a microfiber cloth for a sparkling, streak-free finish. It's a simple yet effective method that will leave your glass surfaces gleaming. Next up, wood furniture. Brew a strong cup of black tea, let it cool completely, then dip a soft cloth into the tea and wring out any excess liquid. This will ensure you don't oversaturate the wood. Gently wipe down your furniture with the damp cloth, working in the direction of the grain. This technique helps maintain the integrity of the wood while cleaning it. The tannins in the tea will help remove dirt and grime, while enhancing the natural beauty of the wood. Your furniture will look polished and well-maintained. Now let's tackle those dirty dishes. We all know how stubborn grease and food residue can be. Tea can help loosen stuck-on food and grease, making dishwashing a breeze. It's a natural and effective way to get your dishes clean. Simply fill your sink with hot water, toss in a few used tea bags, and let your dishes soak for a few minutes. The tea will work its magic, breaking down the grime. The tannins in the tea will help break down the grease and grime, making it easier to scrub away. You'll be amazed at how effortlessly the dirt comes off. Tea can also help deodorize your cutting boards. This is especially useful for boards that have absorbed strong odors. After washing your cutting board, sprinkle some dry tea leaves over the surface. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse clean. The tea leaves will absorb any lingering smells, leaving your cutting board fresh and ready for use. Alright fellow plant lovers, get ready to supercharge your gardening game because we're about to unlock the secret power of tea bags for lush, thriving plants. Used tea bags are like little nutrient bombs for your plants. They're packed with nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are essential nutrients for healthy plant growth. Plus, they can help improve soil drainage and aeration, creating the perfect environment for your plants to thrive. After you've enjoyed your cup of tea, simply cut open the tea bag and sprinkle the used tea leaves directly onto the soil around your plants. You can also mix the tea leaves into the soil when you're potting new plants. As the tea leaves decompose, they'll release their nutrients slowly into the soil, providing your plants with a steady supply of food. You can also use used tea bags to create a nutrient-rich compost tea for your plants. Simply fill a bucket with water, add a handful of used tea bags, and let it steep for a few days. Once the tea has finished steeping, strain out the tea bags and use the nutrient-rich tea to water your plants. So there you have it, green thumbs. Tea bags, the secret weapon for a thriving garden. Alright guys, let's face it. Nobody likes dealing with pesky insects and rodents in their homes and gardens. They can be a real nuisance, causing damage and spreading germs. But fear no more because we're about to unleash the secret weapon for natural pest control. Tea bags. Yes, you heard that right. Those little bags of tea you enjoy can also help you in your battle against pests. Tea contains natural compounds that many insects and rodents find unpleasant, making it a safe and effective alternative to harsh chemical pesticides. Let's start with ants, one of the most common household pests. Those tiny invaders seem to find their way into our homes no matter how clean we keep them. They can be particularly annoying in the kitchen where they search for food. Peppermint tea bags can help keep them at bay. The strong aroma of peppermint is something ants just can't stand. Simply place a few dried peppermint tea bags near entry points, ant trails, or anywhere you've noticed ant activity. This will create a barrier that ants are unlikely to cross. The strong scent of peppermint will deter ants from crossing the line. Next, up mice. These little critters can cause a lot of damage if they get into your home. Mice have a keen sense of smell and are repelled by the strong scent of peppermint. They find the smell overwhelming and will avoid areas where it is present. Place a few dried peppermint tea bags in areas where you've seen mice activity, such as behind appliances in cupboards or along baseboards. This will help keep them away from your food and belongings. Tea bags can also help repel moths. These insects can be particularly troublesome in your wardrobe, where they can damage your clothes. To keep them away from your precious wardrobe, fill small sachets with dried lavender tea leaves and hang them in your closets and drawers. The soothing scent of lavender is something moths dislike. The lavender scent will not only repel moths but also leave your clothes smelling fresh and fragrant. It's a win-win situation for your wardrobe. So there you have it guys, a simple, natural, and effective way to keep those pesky pests at bay using something as common as tea bags. Tea bags. The natural and effective way to keep those pesky pests at bay. Give it a try and enjoy a pest-free home. Alright guys, that's a wrap. Who knew that those humble tea bags had so many incredible uses? From banishing bad odors to achieving glowing skin, cleaning your house, supercharging your garden, and even repelling pests, tea bags are the ultimate life hack. So next time you finish your cup of tea, don't even think about tossing that tea bag in the trash. Instead, put it to good use with one of these amazing life hacks. Your wallet, your home, and the planet will thank you for it. If you enjoyed this video and learned some mind-blowing tea bag life hacks, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. And be sure to share these incredible tea bag hacks with your friends and family.